Alright, internet, I just got this rack from storeyourboard.com. I'm going to show you how to install it. 2 screws, 2 washers. If you were doing this inside, you would need a stud finder, but I'm doing it in the garage. Found it. I suggest not buying the cheapest one because this stud finder is terrible. You can drill a bit that is slightly smaller. This one seems like the one. Pick your spot, drill. This particular one is 7/16. Forget the washer. Always start things with your hand. If you don't pre-drill it, the wood will split. These are pretty big bolts that come with this thing, so you want to make sure you pre-drill. So you don't want to split a stud. You don't want to split any wood unless you're a lumberjack. Alright, number 2. You want it to be level. My level's not long enough. I'm not so sure about this level sometimes. Here's my line. It's kind of nice, these things are just as wide as the wood, so as long as it lines up, you know, you got it right. So go as far as you can with your hands. Not too tight because it's plastic. I realized the thing said it was unbreakable. Pretty good stuff. 2 screws for this. It's about as easy as it gets for a rack. Easy. Stick out far enough from the wall where you could put it inside back. Super solid, just 2 screws. Enough flexibility where, you know, if there's an earthquake, your board might not fall off the wall. The ShoOff clear rack.